Hey, this is DIY Nader Tater, and today I'm going to show you how I replaced the back door latch in my '06 Ford Ranger. Let's get started. The first thing I did was remove the old rivets. I accomplished this by first removing the center of the rivets with a nail set. Next, I used a screw gun and a drill bit to break apart the old rivets. With the rivets out of the way, now you can pull out the latch and remove the cables from inside the assembly. You may have to loosen the clamps in the back to get the cable out of the assembly. Now you are ready to install your new latch. Just like the last latch you took out, the cable will go through the back of the assembly and be clamped, and then hook into the back of the handle through a little hole. Loosen the back clamps and slide the cable through. Make sure that the end of the cables fit nicely into the hole behind the latch. Now you are ready to close the clamps on the outside of the latch. Make sure the little stoppers that are on the cable are on the outside as well before closing. Now you are ready to put the latch back into the door and install the rivets. Well, if you made it all the way to this point, congratulations on a job well done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.